Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to print a spreadsheet in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Sheets, and here it opens up like this. And from here we just have to select the document that we want to print, tap on the three dots next to its name, scroll down and tap on print. Now, if we have a printer connected to our device, we can just proceed by setting the paper size, selecting the number of copies, the orientation, etc., and print the document right away. Otherwise, we can connect to a nearby public printer and print it like that, or we can just send it to a friend and ask them to print it for us. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.